Ever wondered why some road trips go smoother than others? Today, unravel the secrets to a flawless road trip. The key lies in proper planning and preparation. You see, a road trip isn't just about hopping in your car and hitting the open road. It requires a bit of forethought. One common faux pas is failing to check the vehicle before setting off. We're talking oil levels, tire pressure, even the spare tire. It's those small things that can make a big difference. And then there's the route. Do you know where you're going, or are you leaving it to chance? A little planning goes a long way. Avoiding peak travel times and being aware of potential roadworks can save you hours of frustration. Lastly, have you packed everything you need? It's easy to overlook essential items, so make a checklist and tick off as you go. Remember, a flawless road trip starts with meticulous preparation. Scene script. Many road trips turn sour due to common yet avoidable mistakes. Let's dive into what these are and how to steer clear of them. First up, overpacking. It's a classic blunder, isn't it? You stuff your car to the brim, thinking you'll need this, that, and everything in between, but in reality, half of those things never leave the suitcase. The trick here is to pack light but sufficient. Think about what you'll truly need and use. Remember, every item should serve a purpose. A handy tip is to roll clothes instead of folding them. It saves space and prevents wrinkles. And don't forget, you can always do laundry on the road. Next up, not taking enough breaks. This one's a sneaky mistake. You might think powering through will get you to your destination faster, but it's a one-way ticket to fatigue and discomfort. Make sure to take regular breaks to stretch, rest, and refresh. A good rule of thumb is to stop every 2 hours or so. It's not just good for you, but it's also beneficial for your vehicle. Plus, these breaks offer a chance to explore little gems along your route that you might otherwise miss. Moving on to our third era, relying solely on GPS. While technology is fantastic, it's not infallible. There could be dead zones or your battery could die. It's always wise to carry a physical map as a backup. It doesn't require a signal or battery, and it gives you a broader perspective of your route. Lastly, not packing enough food and water. It's easy to underestimate how much you'll need, especially on long journeys. Pack healthy snacks and plenty of water to keep you nourished and hydrated. It's also a good idea to bring a cooler for perishables and drinks. Pro tip: freeze bottles of water to use as ice packs, then drink them once they've thawed. Avoid these pitfalls and your road trip will be nothing short of an adventure. Now that you've got the secrets and the hacks, it's time to put them into practice. Set out on the open road with a newfound confidence and let the adventure unfold. Remember, these tips and tricks are just guideposts on your journey. Your road trip is your own, and it's all about finding what works best for you. Perhaps you'll find a new packing method that saves space. Or maybe you'll discover a travel app that becomes your go-to. You might even find that your favorite part of the trip is when things don't go as planned and you're left to improvise. Every mile is a memory and every journey unique. So embrace the unexpected, savor the scenery, and let the road lead you where it may. Remember, the greatest adventure is what lies ahead. What's your next road trip destination? Share in the comments below and let's build a community of savvy road trippers.